are back here at Sprout Mamas with our friend Ryan Fennessey, chef and owner extraordinaire. What do you think, Erin?
Hey guys.
I'm excited.
Are you?
Yes.
This is our favorite thing. Erin and I love demonstrations and we love good takeaways. And it's summer. It's 150 million degrees out.
Yeah,
it's
I think
hot.
that's, yeah.
And we have to get in bathing suits.
Well, more.
Oh dear.
No deal. Well, more importantly, I don't get that hungry, but I always want to grab something. And we talk about summer salads, and you all are known for your salads, and everything you do here is scratch.
Oh yeah.
So we thought it might be interesting to chat a little bit about how you come up with dressings to kind of
Sure.
or stuff to dress a salad.
Are they all homemade?
Oh, absolutely. Yes,
Oh my
for sure. We make everything here. Debi has a terrible habit of she can't come to Sprout Mom without giving me something to do.
This is true.
So we're making salad dressing.
Exactly.
So summer, especially when it's super hot, you just want something hydrating, something
Light.
light, citrusy usually. It's vinaigrette can be so simple. So, I mean, my favorite thing to do with green salads or a grain salad, or even with fruit salad, is 5 ingredients.
Okay.
So it's, for this much, we'll say a tablespoon of good Dijon mustard.
Oh.
Okay.
Is mustard in most salad dressings?
In a lot, yeah, because mustard can emulsify and bind
And
without
doesn't it have
adding.
like a vinegar base?
It has a vinegar base, and you can emulsify and make creamy dressings without adding fat.
Oh.
Without adding mayonnaise or more oil, blah, blah, blah. That kind of
Okay.
stuff, okay? So you're gonna do about equal parts citrus juice. This is just lemon juice.
Okay, does it matter? Do you do lemon, orange, anything?
All of the above, a mix, it's all gonna kind of play out the same way.
What's so funny is we're talking about this is you are for sure a chef, meaning when you ask him, like, tell me the recipe, he's like,
You can tell there's some improv.
There's a little
He's
ish.
like,
There's always an ish.
right, but you don't recommend that for everybody, right?
Well,
You need a little skill set.
a little of this, a little
then
of that.
when you mess things up, it can be like, well,
we just tried it.
you can adjust it with a little pepper, blah, blah, blah,
Right.
kind of thing. But no, recipes are one of the hardest things for me. Just, in the restaurant, we have to write the recipes for all the sauces, all the stuff. So, everybody, it's the same. It's consistent.
Yeah, that's true.
And that's one of the hardest things for me to do, is actually sit down
And
with
quantify everything.
with a pen and paper and measure. I hate measuring things.
Right.
And even when I was baking bread, and it's very
Visual?
very percentage, the whole baker's percentages, and it's all to a gram. We never did any of that.
You threw the math out the window.
Right. We were like, we took the punk rock approach to baking bread, I guess. But anyway, I've talked too much this morning.
This is a custom dressing made for Debi?
This would go for a lot of money on eBay. Alive.
I love that you're sharing the secret.
Right?
Yes.
So, okay. Now you're going to do 2 parts olive oil.
Okay.
Okay,
So even
Is it always olive? You stick with
I prefer olive oil in a salad dressing because it gives it a little more body.
Okay.
You can do a vegetable oil, or canola's
maybe not the healthy.
not so healthy, but the lighter oils, they do the trick, but I prefer olive in a simple dressing because it's gonna.
Okay.
Do you do a virgin, extra virgin? Is there one that's sweeter? Is it depending on if you do a savory or a
For a dressing, this is just extra virgin
Is it?
olive
Okay.
oil.
Okay.
For finishing oils, you want to use the super strong
And what's
cold pressed
the
stuff.
mystery ingredient over there?
Salt and pepper.
Oh,
This.
salt and pepper.
I don't know if you're familiar with this.
I've never seen it before.
Okay. This is an ancient trick to make food taste good, right?
I love it.
So you just.
Look at him now. Do you ever throw it over your shoulder?
Oh yeah,
he does all the
always, But yeah, just a little sprinkle of salt and pepper, okay?
Okay.
You know what's
This
so
is so
good to me?
easy.
I know, and you know what? I'm not a huge garlic person,
Uh-huh.
so I didn't realize. I thought